In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete job alerts on LinkedIn. This is a quick, straightforward process, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to stop those extra notifications if you don't need them anymore. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone, or head to linkedin.com in your browser and sign in. From the main screen, go to the Jobs section. On mobile, you'll find Jobs at the bottom right. On desktop, it's in the top navigation bar. This is where LinkedIn organizes your searches, recommendations, and any alerts you've set up. Next, open any job listing. Many job alerts are created from inside a listing using the Set Alert for Similar Jobs option you see as you scroll down. When that switch is turned on, LinkedIn will send you updates, often daily, by email and through in-app notifications about similar roles. If you've already landed a role or you're just not interested in that kind of position anymore, it makes sense to clean these up so your inbox stays focused. To remove an alert, look toward the top center of the Jobs area and tap Preferences. In Preferences, go to My Interests, then select Job Alerts. This page shows the alerts you've created. Find the one you want to manage and tap the pencil icon to edit it. Inside the Edit screen, you'll see options to adjust how often you hear from LinkedIn. If you're not ready to delete it, you can change the frequency from daily to weekly or switch notifications to app only if you'd prefer to stop emails but still see alerts in the app. If you want to remove the alert entirely, scroll to the bottom and tap Delete Job Alert. You'll be asked to confirm. Tap the red Delete button. That's it. Once deleted, LinkedIn will stop sending notifications and emails for that specific job type. A couple of quick pointers to keep things tidy. Deleting an alert doesn't remove your saved jobs or affect your profile. It only stops updates for that particular alert. If you have multiple alerts, repeat these same steps for each one you want to remove. And if labels look slightly different between the app and desktop, the flow is the same. Preferences, My Interests, Job Alerts, then Edit or Delete. I hope this helped you take control of your LinkedIn notifications and keep your job search organized. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.